For loop. For loop are used to execute a set of statements repeatedly, as long as condition is satisfied. In this example of for loop, step 1, initialization integer, value of I equal to 1. Step 2, condition, value of I less than 5. Step 3, if condition is true, inside for loop, statement gets execute. The value of I get increment. When value of I equal to 1, then it return true and print 1. Then the value of I get increment. Continue looping and displaying value of I. When value of I equal to 5, then return false and the program exit from for loop. For loop. In this Java example, name of the project is For Loop Project. Name of my class is For Loop Example. For loop are used to execute a set of statements repeatedly, as long as condition is satisfied. In this example of for loop, step 1, initialization integer, value of I equal to 1. Step 2, condition, value of I less than 5. Step 3, if condition is true, inside for loop, statement gets execute. The value of I get increment. When value of I equal to 1, then it return true and print 1. Then the value of I get increment. Continue looping and displaying value of I. When value of I equal to 5, then return false and the program exit from for loop.